Okay, just like to start again. UE's ball, first and 10 at the 35. In modified football, there is no kickoffs. There's a snap. And running back has it. And looks like he's got a gain of about, let's see, looks like a gain of about 5. 2nd and 5. Third and about 5 still. I don't think there was any gain on that last play. There he goes. Coming around the left side. No. Tackled by 54. A nice tackle on that play. It is 4th and 5. Little UE punt. Looks like they're setting up in punt formation. Number 6 and number 23 back for Vestal, but the punt is really, really short. Number 6 comes way up. Field it. Looks like Vestal will have pretty good field position on this. See where they mark it. Let's see. Looks like about the 44. Vestal's own 44 though, so they will be starting around the side of the field.